Oh. Forgot to put the button. Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, we're going to go to the garage now and see how the Fargo is going. This will be update number 3. We got George there. He's painting the motor. Just trying to give it another coat there. How you doing there, George?
Oh, just giving this motor another spray of paint.
Oh, it's looking
just
good.
To make it look fantastic.
Right on. What else we got going on?
Oh, we got some other stuff here that I've been working on in the side of the truck here.
Oh yeah? Well, let's see what's going on.
Show you what's going on here. Just got to move these wires out of the way, and we're going to put this panel here in
got the transmission cover going on there.
Transmission cover, yep.
Right on.
Put that in there, and then we have to do a little bit of work down on the back here.
Oh wow, that's pretty rotten down there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh well.
It needs a bit of work, but that's nothing. Just surface rust. Rust.
Yeah, the surf's on both sides.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it is what it is, though, eh?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, well, if you're...
But it's going to look fantastic, that's the thing.
Yeah.